Hi, this is In the Wild with Chris. Today I'm going to show you my bug out bag, or Bob. In a crisis situation, your last resort is to leave your home. In your home you have shelter from the elements, you have hopefully stored food and water, but if you have to evacuate, the bug out bag will ensure you have what you need to survive for 72 hours. For example, while evacuating to a bug out location or shelter. What can make you evacuate your home? Possible scenarios are natural disasters, or widespread fires, storms, floods, earthquakes, tsunamis, but also man-made disasters like chemical spills or nuclear disasters. There are also the case of pandemics spreading in populated areas. It could also be a military attack or social or political unrest, even a coup d'etat. Or maybe just your wife having a Tupperware party and you have to get out of Dodge. What is the purpose of a bug out bag, or Bob? 1. It's fast. If you have to leave your home quickly, you don't want to waste more time than necessary. 2. Confidence. The knowledge that you have everything you need in one bag gives you confidence and makes it mentally easier for you to evacuate. 3. Safety and survival. The things you need for your safety and survival is already packed in the bag and ready to go. Remember to base your Bob on the environment and climate in which you live in. If it's cold and rainy, skip the sunscreen. If it's a dry and hot climate, add extra water, and so on. I carry my gear in this 35-liter backpack. It's got several compartments. It's got straps that enable you to strap on extra gear on the outside. Try to keep it untouched and do not borrow stuff from it. Buy the stuff you need and keep it stored in the bug out bag. Keep track of expiration dates on food and water. Also make sure it's comfortable to carry for long hikes. But not everything you will be needing can be stored in the bag. Make sure you know what clothes to put on if you have to evacuate. Make sure you have money, ID. Make a checklist. What to wear, what extra stuff do you need to bring along from your everyday use. The main groupings of gear you need are shelter and warmth, food and water, light, first aid and hygiene, and different tools for survival. So, what do I carry in my bug out bag, specialized for my environment and climate zone? A double sleeping bag that is capable of handling temperatures below freezing, rain poncho, tarp, several emergency blankets, paracord or string, fire steel and a butane lighter, as well as tampons for kindling, a Shemagh, extra underwear, work gloves, a hat, and socks. In general in Sweden, water is quite abundant and easy to find, so I only carry 1.5 liters to start with. A container for gathering more water, water purification tablets, a Sawyer mini filter, gas camping stove, eating utensils, folding cup. You need to be able to travel light, but also to bring enough food and energy to ensure you can survive and perform. You don't have to be comfortably full, but you need enough energy for the physical activities. My focus on food is carbs and fats that give plenty of quick energy. Instant noodles, freeze-dried porridge, tin of baked beans where I can use the tin for cooking, peanuts, hard candy, instant coffee and chocolate, Isotonic drinking powder. a headlamp, a flashlight, and extra batteries. I make sure that the flashlight and headlight use the same type of batteries. I only have to bring one kind. Emergency bandages, a small first aid kit, disinfectant swabs, wet wipes, toilet paper, soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, tapes for chafing, and bug repellent. I always carry a knife on me, but I'll also bring a knife in the backpack. A folding saw, a multi-tool, fishing hooks and fishing line, one more fire steel, compass and a map of my immediate area, pen and paper, electric tape or duct tape, breathing mask against dust and smoke, and a survival guide. To keep track of weather and what's going on around me, I bring an AM/FM receiver. This one is battery operated, but also can be powered through the hand crank. In your bug out bag you need stuff for about 72 hours, so it doesn't mean you don't have to pack 5 different knives and a whole bunch of different tools. These are just the basics to keep you safe and keep you alive for 3 days and nights. And remember that all this gear is useless if you don't know how to use it. Can you make a fire when it's windy and rainy? Can you make a shelter in the dark? Make sure to train with your gear and practice in how to use it in different environments. And this is just for one person. You have to consider if you need a bug out bag for your significant other. Do you have gear for your kids? Do you have pets that you have to take care of and bring along? All in all, make a contingency plan with your family or friends. Where to meet, rendezvous points, to ensure that you can stick together and help each other. Well, this is my bug out bag. What are your thoughts on bug out bags? Please leave a comment below. You can find the complete list of my gear in the info below this film. If you found this useful, please give it a like, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out. Gear for hunting and maybe personal protection is subject to local laws, so I won't go into that, except bring enough ammo.